guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I do have a Walgreens video for you guys. These deals started today, which is April 25th, and they are good up until Saturday, May 1st. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the deals. Okay, you guys, so right here I do have a total of 3 separate transactions, and between all 3 of these transactions, everything ended up being completely free plus a $1.18 moneymaker. Yes, everything was completely free plus a moneymaker. So we're going to go ahead and start with my first transaction. So in my first transaction, I went ahead and grabbed a package of the Bounty Essential paper towels, 3 of these Charmin tissues, 4 Dawn dish soaps, 3 of the Crest mouthwash, and then I also grabbed this Crest toothpaste right here. So with the Charmin and the Bounty this week at Walgreens, they are priced at $4.99, and the deal is when you buy 4, you will receive a $6 registry reward. You can also choose the Tide liquid and the Tide pod as well. So all at $4.99. So $4.99 times 4 is $19.96. We do have a 6 off of 3 digital coupon for the Charmin tissue. You want to make sure that it's the 4 equals 16. So we have a $6 digital coupon for that. And then we also have a $1 digital coupon for the Bounty paper towels. So that's a total of $7 in digital coupons. So $19.96 minus the $7 in digital coupons, that will bring the total down to $12.96. And remember, when you buy 4, you will receive a $6 registry reward. I did receive my $6 registry reward right here. And so with receiving this $6 registry reward, that brought the total down to just $6.96 for all 4 products, or it makes each one just $1.74. And then next up, I went ahead and grabbed 3 of these Crest Scope mouthwashes, and then I grabbed 1 of the Crest Pro Advanced toothpaste. So these are priced at Walgreens this week for $2.99. The deal is when you buy 3, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So what you want to do is go ahead and grab 4 at $2.99, and that's going to bring your total to $11.96. We do have a 6 off of 4 digital coupon that you can use on this. So $11.96 minus the $6 digital coupon, that brought the total down to just $5.96. And then when you buy 3, you will receive a $5 registry reward. I did receive my $5 registry reward right here. With receiving this $5 registry reward, it brought the total down to just 96 cents for all 4, or it makes each product just 24 cents. And then lastly, I just went ahead and grabbed the Dawn dish soaps. No coupons for those, but they are priced at Walgreens this week for just 99 cents. So that's everything that I got in my first transaction. And then also in this transaction, I had a paper booster, get $8 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35. And then I also had a digital booster, get $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend $20. I also used registry rewards on this transaction, and that's also why I went ahead and grabbed the Dawn. So as you guys can see, everything rung up like it was supposed to. My Charmin and Bounty all rung up at $4.99. The Dawn dish soaps rung up at 99 cents, so $3.96. My Crest mouthwashes rung up at $2.99, so $8.97, and then my Crest toothpaste rung up at $2.99. So my point coupon purchase came off, and that's the paper coupon for the get $8 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35. My digital coupon for the Charmin came off, but my digital coupon for the Crest mouthwash and the Crest toothpaste did not come off. So that $6 digital didn't come off. And also my Bounty $1 digital coupon didn't come off. So that's a total of $7 in digital coupons that didn't come off for me. I did contact customer service, and they did go ahead and credit that $7 back to my account. So right here, my subtotal came out to be $9.88. My subtotal should have been $2.88 if those digital coupons would have came off. So that's why I wrote the $2.88 right here, because this is what my total should have been. And then when we look down here, where it says earned this visit, I did earn back $13.35 along with my $6 registry reward for the Charmin and the Bounty and my $5 registry reward for the Crest. So $288 plus the $20 in registry rewards that I used right here, you guys. That's a total of $20.88 that I pretty much paid for this transaction, right? I got back a total of $24 in rewards. So $24 minus the $20.88 that I paid, and that's with the registry rewards included. That made this transaction completely free, plus a $3.12 moneymaker, which is fantastic, you guys. So this is the first transaction. And so in my second transaction, I went ahead and just grabbed 3 of the Tide liquid detergents, a Tide pod pack, and then I grabbed 4 of these Gillette deodorants. So with the Gillette deodorants, they are priced this week at Walgreens for $2 for $11. I went ahead and purchased 4. So that's a total of $22. So $22, and then we have an $8 off of 4 digital coupon that I used on these deodorants. So $22 minus the minus the $8 digital coupon, that brought the total down to $14. And then when you buy 3, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So $14 minus the $5 registry reward that I received, that brought the total down to just $9. But not only that, if you check your IBOTTA accounts, IBOTTA does have a rebate for $1.50 back. The limit is 5. I grabbed 4. So 150 times 4 is $6. So $9 minus the $6 that I received from IBOTTA, that brought the total down to just $3 for all 4, or it makes each one just 75 cents, which is a really, really great price for those deodorants. And then with the Tide, so the Tide, which is the same deal as the Charmin and the Bounty, they are priced at $4.99, and when you buy 4, you will receive a $6 registry reward. So I purchased 3 liquid, 1 pod. That brought my total to $19.96. I did go ahead and go to the PG Good Everyday website and print off a $2 coupon for the Tide Pods. So $19.96 minus the $2 that I printed from the website, that brought the total down to just $17.96. And since I purchased 4, I did receive my $6 registry reward, which is right here. So $17.96 minus this $6 registry reward brought my total down to just $11.96 for all 4 items, or it makes each item just $2.99. So that is everything that I got in my second transaction. So now let me show you guys my receipt. So all of the Gillette rung up at $2 for $11. My Tide Pods and my Tide Liquid all rung up at $4.99. And then on this transaction also, where it says point coupon purchase, this is a second account that I use. I had a paper booster, get $8 when you spend $35. And then I also had a digital booster, get $5 when you spend $20. So my Tide $2 paper coupon came off. I used 3 registry rewards, 1 $4 registry reward, and 2 $5 registry rewards. And then my digital coupon for the Gillette deodorant, $8 came off. So that brought my subtotal to $17.96. When you look down here, I got back my $13.41. So of this 13, 8 came from me spending $35. 5 came from me spending $20. I got back my $6 registry reward for the Tide, my $5 registry reward for the Gillette, and then I got back my $6 on IBOTTA from the Gillette. So $17.96, and then I used $14 in registry rewards. So that will bring my total to $31.96. So technically I paid $31.96 for this transaction, but I got back a total of $30 in rewards. So that brought the total down to just $1.96. But between my first transaction and this transaction, remember I had a $3.12 moneymaker from this transaction. So $3.12 minus the $1.96 that I actually had to pay out of pocket over here. So free plus $1.16 between both of these transactions. So I hope that made sense, you guys. And then lastly, in my third transaction, I just went ahead and grabbed 2 of these Colgate Total toothpaste. So these are priced at Walgreens for $3.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $5 in Walgreens cash. So what you're going to do is go ahead and purchase 2 at $3.99, and that will bring your total to $7.98. We do have a $3 digital coupon that you can use on this. With using that digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to $4.98. Since you purchased 2, you will receive back that $5 in Walgreens cash, which will make these completely free plus a 2-cent moneymaker. So here's my receipt. Both of them rung up at $3.99, so $7.98. My $3 digital coupon came off. Subtotal is $4.98. If you have Walgreens cash, you can use your Walgreens cash to pay for this. I used my PayPal debit card, so $4.98. And when you look down here where it says earned this visit, I did get back my $5 in Walgreens cash, which made these completely free plus a 2-cent moneymaker. So between everything that I have here, everything ended up being completely free plus a $1.18 moneymaker. Because remember, between my first 2 transactions, they ended up being free plus a $1.16 moneymaker. And then with the Colgate, since it was free plus a 2-cent moneymaker, it made everything completely free plus $1.18. Yes, I added the 2 cents from the Colgate because every penny counts. So today at Walgreens was absolutely beautiful. Like I said, I only had issues with 2 of my digital coupons not coming off, but customer service fixed that right away. So I am extremely happy about everything that I got from Walgreens today because everything ended up being free plus a moneymaker. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know what deals you guys are getting this week at Walgreens. So that is going to be it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.